Man, it's a beautiful day out today.
Hey, Monkey.
I'm gonna go join. Hey! Oh God, you just made me trip. What the heck? What the heck is this? What the heck is this? No! No! Don't! Oh! No! No! Come on, son! Oh! Oh! No! He just drove off! Oh my God! He just drove off. Do you think he's gonna get in a wreck, Monkey? Monkey! Oh! Come here!
No, we're gonna leave again.
No! You're not driving again!
Bye.
You're not gonna drive again! No! 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 It just exploded! The car just exploded, Monkey! Oh my God, son! Son, you okay? It just exploded! Son? You alive? Oh my gosh! Son! I think he's dead! I think he's dead! The car just exploded!
Stuffy.
Wait, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. We gotta drive all the way to the... We gotta walk all the way to the... Whew, finally walked. Hey, no. Wait, no. Wait, the door. Gosh. Shut up. Shut up. Put us in. Oh my gosh. How do you feel about this, Monkey? Guys, my hair's getting freaking done right now by my sister. She won't stop. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the Ganzo's car explosion. And it was really fun to make, and yeah, so but it took a few times because my dad was on the phone and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you guys, and give me some ideas. So yeah, goodbye.